Well, here's a AeroMaxx 3-channel helicopter, remote control, of course, built-in gyroscope system. Excellent toy. Controller's a little bit big. All these down through here, these like little black dots are not buttons; they're just for looks. You got your throttle, and of course you got your steering right here. And then your on-off button and your 3-channel reception. Here's the helicopter. Flies excellent. Make sure you fly it indoors or on a day that's no wind at all, because if there's any little slight breeze or anything, it's going to throw it off. But after flying it for 3 or 4 days here in the house with all the wrecks, I happened to knock against the wall yesterday. It's slammed pretty hard, but I don't think it's, just one little wreck caused this. But if you guys could see that, I know my camera can't zoom in on this, but that little gear right there fell out, which it actually sticks on a rod. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna have to take this thing apart to get in there and put it back together. It took me about a half hour to find that gear. I'm gonna have to take this helicopter apart and install the gear. I'm going to I'm going to Gorilla Glue it. Of course. I'm going to need tweezers, because I got to squeeze this little thing right there to get the shell off. And of course, precision screwdrivers I'm going to need. Here's what happens when the gear is out of the helicopter. It fell. Turn this on. Only the top blades spin. And that's pretty much what happens. The bottom blades don't spin because the gear's out of it, and it won't turn that top gear inside there. I hope this helps everybody else out that has the same kind of RC. Instead of pitching it in the trash and going out and spending another $30 for a new one. There it goes. I happened to pull the shell off of this little knobby thing right here. I tried squeezing it together with the tweezers, and tweezers really couldn't grab onto it. I don't think my needle nose pliers would have done anything with it. So I went ahead and got my big old sausage fingers behind there and just kind of popped it loose. Now, I gotta do that side. A little knob right here. So, we'll see how this goes. I'm thinking, yep, pull right off. Popped right off. And go grab this camera here. Well, if you ever want to know what the inside of this thing looks like, there you go. There's the rechargeable battery. Now I gotta take them, I gotta unscrew all these little screws right here. Damn, camera won't focus in. I gotta unscrew these screws and somehow get inside here where that gear is, that top gear, and try to get to that rod. Man, I tell you what, the little micro toy, and they got big old fat fingers. It's a challenge. Gotta get some light in there. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew these screws. Oh man, wish me luck. I needed my kids to help me out on this one. They got little fingers that can get into these little tight areas. Alrighty, I started unscrewing this one screw right here. And before I lose any pieces, I went ahead and got me a magnet. So when the screw comes off, it'll stick to the magnet so it don't fall on the floor or roll off the table or whatever. I've had it happen with knives that I've taken apart with ball bearings coming out of it, but that's another tip. Alright, I got the screws loose, and I am going to take them out and put them on this magnet. Take that off. Oh man. Now I gotta figure out how to, what they gotta take off now. I'll go ahead and take this off right here. It's the only way I think I can get inside there. Take that off. There's two pieces off. This comes off. Yep, that's easy. Oh my god. Damn it, man. How am I going to get that little gear in there? Where's the gear? Oh, it's over there. Alright, I got this whole side off right here. And what it's looking like is I'm going to have to take, oh shit, I'm going to have to take that little cylinder out of there, out of this frame, and put the gear on, and then slide the gear and the cylinder back into place. But before I do that, I got to take this side off in order to get that cylinder out. So, alright, so I got both sides off there, and I got this cylinder right here I need to take out, and they're really tight. I had to move these wires out of the way just so I can make sure I don't pull them out. I'm gonna have to work this cylinder out. So, all right, I worked the cylinder out. You see it's loose. See how it's loose there. That's the thing that I need to put, that shaft. I gotta put this little gear back on that shaft. But before I do that, I'm gonna use some glue to glue it on there to make sure. Okay. Before I put that on there, to make sure that don't fall off again, because there's wreckage all the time. Big old sausage. Big old sausage fingers, man.
Yeah, I'm wondering what fingers are article. Nick.
Got the little piece here. Sounding like Donkey Kong. The shaft's on there.
I just want to make sure the schedule didn't change. I'm still opening tomorrow.
It's in there. You get a good picture of it. You see it right there? Well, it's probably blurry, but right there's the gear. So we'll see what happens. Let's turn it on and see if it turns. Oh, looky there. Fixed it. Fixed it. Beautiful. Now I gotta put it all back together. Awesome. All right. Alright, I'm putting everything back together now. You don't have to go on me. And I think, we'll find out, but I think I already lost a screw. This is a pain in the ass. I don't see why they didn't glue the little gear onto the shaft when they manufactured this. I think they do it just to get you to buy another one. Let's see, where does this go? Go there. Now I can take this apart later on and paint it. Why ain't that matching up? Oh, here we go. This is it. I think. Is that it? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 3 screws. Gosh darn it. 3. There's 4. Man, there's no way, man. I couldn't have lost any of that. Well, I know 2 go into that.
Is it under this?
No, hold on. There's 2 that go into that. And I got... There's 2 for that. I need 1 there. What the crap, man? I don't think it fell inside here. It's probably on one of the magnets. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it off. Turn that down, Nick.
Can we do it?
Man, this camera, man. Here, that's about good. Here, put it right there. Just hold the... hold the...
This.
Yeah. Turn it a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Alrighty, I'm starting to look, I'm putting all this together. And I'm starting to see that I am running low on these screws that I have on this magnet. And I'm thinking I'm losing them somehow. But I happened to notice in one of the sections of this video, I went back just to get a look at a picture of this before I started taking it all apart. And you guys can do this also if you want to go back through the video. But there ain't no screws. These screws right here that I put in don't belong there. There's actually holes with threads for screws. That's why I put them back in there. But straight from the factory, whoever put this piece together wasn't doing their job because they didn't put these 3 screws into the frame. So I'm going to end up having to take these out so I can get the other parts back together. Strange. I should ask the company why that is. Everything's coming together well. Got to figure out what screws I will put in there. Look at that. All I gotta do now is snap the shell back on. Before I do that, I want to make sure like the wires are all draw the wires. But that just got me question. Whoever put this thing together. So there you go. Both sides. Yeah, they could have done it because of weight or something like that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws missing on each side. Here I thought I lost the screw. Well, I can't hold lost my helper. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shell back on, slide it on there. Make a few videos of flying this thing. One good thing about taking this apart, I have to learn how it's all put together, and eventually I can paint this side. Thanks for watching.